What is up, everyone? How you doing? So as you guys know, we just picked up the white E36 M3 sedan to potentially have some fun and make some money. So I feel like a few people were a little confused at why I picked this up or the whole situation behind it. I picked up this car because it kind of popped up for a really good deal, and I figured it'd be a fun project to resurrect this awesome, beautiful car and make some money from doing so, and just allow us to get some more funds for some other projects. So the big goal for today is to remove the drivetrain from the car itself, because as you guys might remember, someone pulled the head on the engine and suspect things happened, along with the fact that it has a an automatic transmission. So we gotta do something about that. So we're just gonna pull the whole drivetrain out so we can get the shell cleaned up, looking pretty again, and get it ready for our new drivetrain, which I just ordered all the parts for, so we're making moves. And then at some point today, I'll be tuning a turbo Miata, which I did one yesterday too, but cool with that. So first step with E36 is we're gonna pull off the whole front end because it makes it a lot easier and we don't wanna damage anything. So we're gonna pull off the bumper, the grille, the headlights, and the core support. It should all just come off. Yep, there it is. Well, front end no more. All right.
Easy peasy.
Now we have all this room. We could just... Okay, cool. So, all right, whole front end's exposed, so my life is now gonna be a lot easier when it comes to taking everything off the engine. So, since this is an OBD2 car, there is a lot more stuff on this engine than there is on my E36. So now I just have to basically disconnect all the stuff that just chills under the intake and hope I don't break anything.
Right here.
Cool, it's all off. Now this big bullshit ugly ass training.
You know who makes those trainings?
Yeah.
GM.
GM makes this trans?
Bulletproof.
Junk.
Yeah, right.
Alright guys, so I ripped the shifter out. We don't need it. We're gonna put a man pedal in there, and then now it's time to come out, I think. Well, I guess we'll find out the hard way. But every time it comes to this, Drew just happens to be around.
Let's go. Yanking her out, boys.
Alright, fingers crossed.
Start the timer.
Start jacking her up. See what we forgot. Hell yeah. Good work.
Sure.
Good work. Joe, good work.
On it. On it.
Fresh slate.
Hell yeah.
Now it just needs a good old Randy purple power.
Purple power for sure.
So now I just gotta find a place to store this, but this block is a little crustier than I thought. It makes my other S52 look literally brand new, but I mean, look at it. We'll figure out what we're gonna do with that. But in better news, this car is really clean underneath. As far as the Northeast E36 goes, this thing is pretty freaking clean, and I'm really pumped about it. These things can get really bad up here. Now it's about that time. We pass over to Randy the Rinser over here.
Randy the Rinser. I like
Randy the Rinser with purple power.
Special. While you go dyno tune a Miata.
Yeah, exactly.
When you guys get back, it'll look a lot better than it does right now.
Let's take it before, all right? Nice little, you know, show off the grime. I expect great things from you, Randy.
She's in good hands.
Two-gun Randy.
Oh man. Don't show the viewers too much. Look at this one, like faded on me. Izzo refill. Let's go. Come on. Half and half. Oh, I can't tell the viewers. Half water, half whatever's in that bottle. Just wait, dude. Hold on.
Hold on, chain out. Yeah, make it official.
Sheesh! So I gotta put the sunglasses on for you viewers at home.
Using this?
Let's go, one!
Try to keep the paint on it. All right. She cleaned up nice.
Aiden would be proud of me right now. Second spray.
She's looking good.
Got the brush out. Starting to clean up.
Something light, you know?
Oh yeah, something like.
Let's see how you did, Randy.
She's not done yet.
She's not done yet?
Not
A
done.
little quick pass right here. Dude, it looks amazing.
Update.
This car is so clean, dude. I got so lucky with this. Not bad at all.
Beneath the filth.
Beneath the filth.
There's some glory.
I mean, it has its typical engine bay scratches. But besides that, she's a dub.
She's getting there. Definitely. I would say so.
Well, I'm gonna tune this to a Miata. And I'll catch you on.
Yeah, sounds good.
A few moments later.
Get him, Chuck. Well, we just did another Turbo Miata. I've been doing a lot of these lately and they're really fun. This car did great, so this is cool. So this has a 0.2 bottom end, which I guess is the highest compression, 1.8 liter they had. And it has a 99 head, so it doesn't have a variable intake cam. Has a log manifold with a SRT28 and on 12 pounds with very conservative tune. Made 220 horsepower. Not bad at all, so. Any Turbo Miata guys, East Coast, you need a tune, hit your boy up. Drew's been washing this car the whole time I've been gone.
She's clean.
Thank you so much. This looks so good, dude.
You were always hooking it up for the homies. It's the least I could do. She does look good though.
She does look real good. I feel a whole different type of way about this car right now. Look how clean these wheels are. Now we just gotta take this damn thing off. Will it spray off or do it?
I tried.
Yeah,
The first thing I tried. It doesn't.
I see him though. Dude, I cannot get over this car. Oh my god. Now we gotta do the interior. The interior is so gross. Oh, it's so beautiful. Alright. Nice.
Sick.
What's up? Did you look at the M3 yet?
No, I haven't.
Drew gave it the wipe down today.
Yeah?
It looks so nice.
Story. Ooh, that looks so good. It's just as clean from the pictures than it is in person. What's wrong with it? Like body-wise.
Oh, I was gonna say.
Body-wise.
But it looks really clean, right?
No,
you wouldn't guess
like,
it's 20 years old.
rust. Is there rust anywhere?
Oh, there's a little bit like here and there. Like
Yeah?
it's, I mean, it's a Northeast car, so.
I know, but it looks really clean.
Look at the engine bay. The engine bay's fresh.
It's so full!
That's the most important part is the engine bay.
Honestly, though, there's like nothing.
I know. I'm tempted to get rid of the GTI and daily this thing. Oh my god. I'm not spitting ideas out here or anything.
No.
I'm gonna get. Everyone's gonna.
You're
yell
gonna
at
just
me.
get shit on.
Yeah, it's all right. Straight this thing is.
Are those side skirts too?
Yeah. OEM.
Really?
Yeah.
Shit.
Right.
That looks really good.
I ordered all the stuff to get my good S52 that we got from Texas together. So I got the head gasket kit, got the studs, got everything. So the head that came with the car, I got it checked out by my local engine builder, and he said it's mint, ready to go. So we're gonna take the head that came in the trunk of the car and put it on the S52 I got from Texas and make one nice complete engine. And that should be easy. The gaskets should come in by the weekend. Hopefully we could have that engine together in just a few hours. Now the hard part is I have to find a 5-speed ZF transmission, and so we can manual convert it and do all the manual conversion stuff. Not not too bad. We're good to go. But I rushed to get the engine out of this car today because I wanted to do it before I tune that car. So I definitely didn't film the best of it. But we do have a lot of sub mail, and I would love to end the video with a bunch of sub mail. It's always fun. We got stuffy down here. So this is stuff that just came in today. Oh my God. You guys are getting absolutely ridiculous, and honestly, I love it. This is so much fun. This is all the stuff that came in just today.
Really? You have more?
Yeah. We still have all the other stuff too.
Are we gonna open it all, or what are we doing?
We'll just see what happens. Let's do these two because they're not from Amazon.
Yeah, these two.
Okay. You want to do the honors?
From Zachary. Well, his handwriting is pretty bad. Rope.
Roasting my man Zach.
From New York.
Let's see. Razor blade. Here, don't hurt yourself.
Oh, jeez. All right. This one's from Brad Randall.
Rad Randall?
Brad
Randall.
Randall.
I like Rad Randall.
Say it 3 times fast.
Rad Randall.
Brad Randall. Ooh.
What is this?
Is it like an RC car type
No
thing?
way. What is it? Is it? Oh, this is so. I hope it might. Wait, it just might be a box. It might be a box.
1 to 10 Rs.
It might not have an RC car. Hold on, I gotta read the note. Here, you read the note.
Hey Jimmy, B Hall, DrewTube, and rest of the gang. Been watching the channel for a while now. I love all the 300ZX stuff. Hoping to get into the chassis soon. Good luck with the drifting season this year. Had this laying around. Thought you guys might need some proactive. Guys might need some proactive when you can't hit the track. Put it to good use. Please don't torture Tucker with it too much.
Oh my God,
Enjoy
it's so
and safe
funny.
driving.
We literally like tormented Tucker today with one.
Corrado.
B-Haul and you should do a real drive Corrado, but that would be insane. Hey, we're actually working on it. Talk to Bri about it. We're getting there.
Oh, that's
No
it!
way! Holy
What is
shit!
it?
This is so cool. I've always.
That's so cool.
Oh my God.
Imagine if your
I was. Oh my God! You guys saw we literally just had our buddy playing with one. I was telling him how much I've wanted one forever.
That's so
E30
cool.
M. Is this an all-wheel drive one? No way! This thing's fucking legit.
That's so fucking
I'm
cool.
so excited. Holy. It feels like Christmas right now. Oh my God! I wish Brian was here for this. I don't even know what to do. How does this work? You guys have no idea how excited I am for this thing.
How much longer are we gonna stay at the garage now?
Okay, maybe it's dead. The remote's not dead though. Oh my God. I'm so excited. I was saying how I wish I could build a Z32 one, but the Z32 shells are so...
They're hard to find.
They're really hard to find.
I feel like I've looked for them.
It's just unplugged.
Oh my God! See that?
Oh. Okay, well, the Tucker donuts are gonna hold off for a minute. Oh my God.
That is so cool.
See, it's cool.
Flip it over. Boy or girl?
So confused. We're gonna let this charge and play with it a little bit. I'm so gassed. Tucker, you good there, bro? He's pissed. All right, Brad, I can't thank you enough, man. I would have never expected a drift RC car. I've wanted one forever, and now we have something cool on the shop, and I can't wait to do some
That's so cool.
some
It's
Tucker
so
donuts. Oh my God, I'm charging the battery now. I can't wait to play with it a little bit, but let's open up some more sub mail.
Where'd you take my eyes? Oh, there it is. I got it.
Brian's gonna be so stoked.
This one's from Zachary D. something.
Tucker, dude.
Doritos.
Oh shit, alright. Hell yeah. What do we got?
Hello from rainy ass New York this fine Friday afternoon. Figured I'd send you, Brian Tucker, some essentials. The signs are from the New York Auto Show at the Javits Center.
No way.
Carried that annoying plastic bag all through Times Square, but well worth it.
No way.
Keep on having fun with it. Make sure Tucker gets his ham bone. My dogs go insane with these.
Straight from New York. Thank you, bud. That's really
Tuck.
cool. I wish I made it out to the auto show.
Tucker!
He knows what's up.
Good and plenty.
I'm into it. Are cookies?
I want cookies. I can't open
We
it.
got snap ring pliers. Oh, hell yeah. We keep breaking these. It's good to get another.
clutch.
They are clutch. Literally for the clutch.
True.
Oh my god. Zip ties and some swivel bits. Hell yeah.
I still can't open
Zach?
Thank you
Sick.
very much.
He's the shit. That's cool.
cookies.
Where we going?
Let's
they're
go.
chewy.
Chocolate chip.
Good stuff.
Say less.
Hell yeah. Brian's getting the Volkswagen one. What do you guys think is in this? Is in the box?
11.4 pounds. Any guesses?
The Easter bunny.
Is it
Someone
a
needs
pillow?
to send us a drum just so we can do it.
Looks like a pillow.
Oh yes, these are fire.
Oh no way, dude! Is there a note?
Absorbent mats.
Dude, pig mats. Hell yeah! This is the shit.
That's a clutch hookup
I did
Fire.
say a box. and something.
emoji.
Made in the USA. Is there a note?
Gift note?
Jimmy B Hall thought you could use these to keep the shop fresh. They're great for when oil is leaking everywhere, which seems to happen no matter what. Larry Jackson.
Larry Jackson.
Larry Jackson.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, homeboy. That's
Brad Randall and Larry
the shit.
Jackson.
these are so. I love these so much. Oh my god.
Those are heavy duty.
Ask Brian how much I yell at him when he spills. Brian's probably the worst. Yeah. Yeah, we're not gonna.
I'm not gonna say anything.
Larry, thank you so much, man. We really appreciate it. Alright, so I think that's enough for tonight. Those packages were badass. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone who sent us some stuff. Best subscribers ever. You guys are amazing. So we still have a bunch to go. We have a bunch of
Craziness.
yeah, a lot of Amazon right here. So we'll open this throughout the week. We got a lot to. I think that's a flag.
Yeah.
So we'll open this throughout the week and get more into. But I had to open the big boxes, and then Steph wanted to. So
Big packages are the best packages. What is that? This feels
Okay.
like candy.
you want to open it?
I really want
Just open it. Just open it.
comb.
Is it a beard comb? No, it's a multi-pack. Now, Drew, you can have one too. This could definitely get you shot.
Get me right.
Oh, there we go, Randall.
Oh,
Damn, Randall, you're a nappy boy, buddy.
I am a nappy boy.
You're a nappy boy.
I'm letting her go.
Walk around just like this. We're getting there, homie.
Go, dude.
Yes, go. Okay, we got no note, but thank you for the beard comb.
Thank you so much.
Alright guys, so today was a cool day. I'm excited to get more into the E36 and tackle the interior and see how much that cleans up. Hopefully just as well as the exterior. So so with that, we're gonna end it, and yeah, so you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content.
Have a great night, everybody.